Hello?
Why don't you want to tell me more about your property at 3575 Cedar Mountain Avenue?
Who is this?
Why don't you tell me more about the square footage?
Well, it's 2,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's a split plan. Not that that's any of your business.
What's that noise?
I'm just making some popcorn on my gas range.
I only eat popcorn when I watch scary movies.
I was just about to watch a scary movie on my large patio.
Does it have a pool?
Why do you want to know if it has a pool?
Because I want to know if it's screened in.
Located in the highly sought after Lake Washington area, 3575 Cedar Mountain Avenue is a split floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. With just over 2,100 square feet, this property boasts 5-inch baseboards in every single room, hardwood floors throughout, and a separate laundry space to take care of all of your dirty linens. The property features a formal living space that opens up into the dining room with the kitchen centrally located. The renovated kitchen offers plenty of storage with updated granite countertops, which opens up into the family room with plenty of room for even the largest sectional. The master bedroom, just located off of the dining space, offers a large enough bathroom with 2 sinks, a tub, and a shower. The master suite offers plenty of storage for all of your clothing with 2 spacious walk-in closets. The focal point of the property is the outdoor space. There are 3 sliders that lead out to the large patio, which is protected by accordion shutters, which opens up to an entirely screened-in pool that offers a spa and some water features. This property offers everything insurance companies want to see. You have a concrete block construction, you have a whole house generator, and the property also features hurricane protection on every glazed opening. Located in the highly desired neighborhood of Greystone. I think I'm ready to put in an offer.